Hey friends, if you wish to reinstall or reset Windows via the cloud download option, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure and then explain its importance. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select recovery in the right pane. Click on reset PC, select keep my files or remove everything as per your preferences, and then you'll get the option for cloud download. Now as you can see, we have two options here, local download and cloud download. So why cloud download? The reason we perform a cloud download is because it will bring a fresh copy from the internet, though it will utilize a lot of your bandwidth, your internet bandwidth. So I advise using it over Wi-Fi only, but that's your choice. And a local reinstall will not use the internet, it will reinstall a local copy. Now we use cloud download specifically when the local copy has gone bad. Okay, because if the local copy has gone bad, then the problem will be that if you try reinstalling it, the same problems for which you reinstall the system will reoccur after the reinstallation. So cloud download is a good idea in that case. A cloud download means everything will be freshly downloaded from Microsoft server and your computer will be absolutely new, an absolutely clean computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.